Ocean Squad, what's good with y'all, man? I'm so happy to see y'all right now, but y'all won't believe what happened. So this is the Houston wave check, but this video is really just a recap of it because what happened was when I got back to LA, I ended up losing my phone and it had the Houston wave check footage on it. Now, luckily, I have some footage from the wave check and it's just basically enough footage to make a recap video to show y'all who won and everything. The thing with the main footage from the wave check when everybody was unragging, that footage was like 12, 15 minutes long. It was 2 clips. And I think just because my cloud storage was full, it didn't upload to the cloud. So when I lost my phone, that footage was stored on the phone's memory instead of the cloud memory since it was too big of a file to upload since my shit was full. I'm hurt, but nevertheless, Ocean Squad, I still got some footage. We're gonna keep this going, man. I'm about to be in NOLA, that's New Orleans, Louisiana, Florida, DMV area, so what's that? Baltimore, that's North Carolina, South Carolina, y'all. Follow me on Instagram because that's where I do a lot of the updates about the Wave Check tour, okay? I'm trying to knock out all of these cities that I said I was gonna come to before the summer end. And yeah, Ocean Squad, with that being said, be ready for when I come to your city, all right? So we got a winning lineup right here.
What's the deal?
We trying to see who gonna win this wave check. We seeing your pattern right now? Showing your pattern off right now. All right, so I'm gonna need, out of this group, hold on. I'm gonna need you to step forward. I'm gonna need you to step forward. I'm gonna need you to step forward. All right, so right here, we got 3 wavers who have magnificent waves. And what we trying to figure out, man, y'all, it's hard to just pick one of y'all because y'all all just swimming. It's crazy to me. So I'm gonna have the crowd pick. All right. So we're gonna start right here. If y'all feel like his waves is good enough to win the title of 360 Wave Process H-Town Wave Check winner, make some noise for him. Clap, make some noise, whatever.
Yep. Yeah.
All right, all right. All right, all right, all right. We got another guy here, another Wave fan member. Your wave is killing, bro. The shine is on lock. The depth is awesome, bro. If y'all feel like he deserves the title of 360 Wave Process Houston Wave Check winner, make some noise for him. All right. We got another contestant right here. Appreciate you for coming out.
Thank you.
You surprised the whole wave check.
Representing for the ladies, all right.
And your waves is magnificent.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, if y'all feel like she deserves the title of 360 Wave Process Houston Wave Check winner, make some noise. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo. That's low-key a draw between them two right now. If you still in the back, no, it's more lines. There's more winners. All right, so it's out of y'all two. Right now, I'm gonna give y'all that rock, paper, scissors challenge for the title.
What speed though?
Best 2 out of 3. Just get it right. If y'all mess up on the first try, then that don't count. Who won? All right, my guy won this rock, paper, scissors challenge. Congratulations. How it feel, bro?
Man, I just real talk though. I appreciate you for keeping it real, unlike a lot of these other ones on YouTube. You feel me?
Appreciate you, man.
Real talk.
I just stay with what's right, man.
Yeah, nah, real talk. That's why I mess with you. Man.
Appreciate you, bro.
And I'm supposed to be at work right now.
Appreciate you. Well, you won the grand prize. I got some, and you already got those.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna hook you up with some stuff you ain't got.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So you got the runner-up prize. You win some 3WP brushes and do-rags.
Thank you.
No problem. I appreciate you for coming out.
Thank you. No problem.
All right. From this lineup right here, I need you to step forward, bro. Hey, bro, step forward right here. If you was in the running, step forward. All right. So this tier 2 right here, round 2. So if y'all feel like he deserves to win out of these group right here, make some noise for him. We moving on, bro. If y'all feel like his waves, check him out. It's harder to see because he got coarse hair. It's even coarser than mine. So you got to come closer to see his true depth and all of that, and his connections. If y'all feel like he deserves, make some noise. All right, it's time for his chance. What y'all think about him? Nah, he's different. Yeah, I'm there. And him right here. If y'all feel like he got the best waves out of this lineup right here, make some noise for him.
I'm with him right here, though. Yeah. He in there.
All right, all right. If y'all feel like he got the best waves, make some noise. Hey, his waves up.
He in there.
All right, you won this one, bro. So at the end of this, talk to me, and I got something for you. All right, so you can step out this lineup. All right, we got one more winner out of y'all 3. You stepping in this one? If you feel like you win, step forward. Just take one step forward. They all feel like they won. So I'm gonna start right here. If y'all think he won, make some noise. If y'all think he won, make some noise. If he won, make some noise. If he won, make some noise. Congratulations, man. You're the final winner. You win a 3WP prize. And yes, sir. This concludes the 3WP Houston Wave Check. Shout out to the winners, man. And yeah, man, that's it. 3WP tour is in full effect. NOLA, Florida, DMV area, Brooklyn. Y'all next. Squad member just put up. We already did the wave check, but he get the unrag right here. Whoa, bro, you would have freaking won something, bro. You would have. Hey, you should have came on time, bro. That's the best rag. Look at he like, shit. That's the winner right there. Bro. Yeah, he hooked you up, bro. There's that heart came through. Appreciate you, bro. Ocean Squad member came out. He unragged just a second ago, but he missed the whole entire wave check. You see it? Is that a flawless? It's damn near there, man. I'm hooking you up just off GP, man, because you would have took a W today. How long you been waving for?
3 years.
Like, how much dedication does it take to get your waves like that, man? That wasn't a rhetorical question. That was a real question. We got beginners probably like, dang, man. You do mirror brush work or what? We want to know the secrets, man.
Yeah, washing style, mirror brushing, moisturizing on my hair.
What moisturizer you use? Can't remember?
No, I can't remember.
I feel it. But man, that progress is good, man. Keep up the good work. That's motivational right there. You got a wave name?
No, follow me Instagram, Huncho.TR3.
All right, bro. Stay wavy.
Back with you live, YouTubers and world viewers, here in Herman Park, Houston, Texas, with 3WP, man, all the way from Saytown. We out here doing a wave check tour. Just got through having a marvelous time with the fellowship, man, in the community of waivers and brotherhood. Go holler at my boy 3WP on his line.
Appreciate the support.
Holler at me, 180 Wavy Baby. I got the Baby Boss pomade on deck, www.180wavybaby.org, and that's what it is.
Man, appreciate the support, bro. And yeah, man, that pomade is something, man. You doing something with that.
Yes, sir.
Go check that out, Ocean Squad.
Yes, sir.